everybody, here's Paloma. Oi gente, aqui é a Paloma. Welcome to Whiteboard Lessons. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about Hi everybody, here's Paloma. Oi gente, aqui é a Paloma. Welcome to Whiteboard Lessons. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about asking for clarification in Portuguese. Okay, first, let's see the vocabulary. First one is repetir. Repetir. Repetir means repeat or repeat that. In Portuguese, we omit the subject many times, so here we just say repetir. Please pay attention that we have R sound like H at the beginning, re, and like R at the end, repetir. Next one is falar. Falar mais devagar. Falar mais devagar. Falar mais devagar. That means speak slower. Falar means say or speak. Mais means more. And devagar means slow. Next one is falar de novo. Falar de novo. Falar de novo means say it again. Next one is falar mais alto. Falar mais alto. Falar mais alto means speak louder. Next one is escrever. Escrever. Escrever means write, or as we use here, write it down. Also here we omit the subject. Next one is soletrar. Soletrar. Soletrar means spell, and here we're going to use it as spell it. Okay, let's move on to the dialogue. Let's see the dialogue for today's lesson. Olá, o meu nome é Alan. Desculpe, eu não entendi. Você poderia repetir? Olá, o meu nome é Alan. Hello, my name is Alan. Desculpe, eu não entendi. Sorry, I didn't understand. Você poderia repetir? Could you repeat that? So this is the main pattern for today. Você poderia repetir? Let's see it again. Você poderia, and then the phrase. Could you? For example, você poderia falar mais devagar? Could you speak slower? Você poderia escrever? Could you write it down? Você poderia soletrar? Could you spell it? Você poderia falar mais alto? Could you speak louder? This is a very useful phrase, especially when you are going to ask a favor to someone. Since we're using poderia, that is could in English, you can see that it's very formal in English and it's also formal in Portuguese. If you want to make it even more formal, you can change você and use o senhor or a senhora if you're talking to a woman. O senhor poderia falar mais devagar? A senhora poderia escrever? Okay. O senhor means sir and a senhora means man. So we use it to replace você, you, in Portuguese to make a sentence formal. Again. O senhor means sir and a senhora means ma'am. We use them to replace you when you want to make a sentence more formal. And that's the culture part for this lesson. Do you remember how to say, I'm sorry? Desculpa. Desculpa. And how to say, I didn't understand. Eu não entendi. Eu não entendi. Do you remember how to say, I'm sorry, I didn't understand? Desculpa, eu não entendi. Desculpa, eu não entendi. And how to say, repeat. Repetir. Repetir. Do you remember how to say, could you repeat that? Você poderia repetir? Você poderia repetir? And how to say, I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Could you repeat that? Desculpa, eu não entendi. Você poderia repetir? Desculpa, eu não entendi. Você poderia repetir? Do you remember how to say, speak slower? Falar mais devagar. Falar mais devagar. And how to say, write it down. Escrever. Escrever. Do you remember how to say, spell it? Soletrar. Soletrar. And how to say it again. Falar de novo. Falar de novo. Do you remember how to say, speak louder? Falar mais alto. Falar mais alto. In this lesson, you learned how to ask for clarification in Portuguese. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again here at Portuguese.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.